This video is sponsored by Autel, manufacturers and suppliers of professional diagnostic tools, equipment, and accessories. Visit autel.com to learn more.
Do you know what a recalibration is? And do you know the difference between a static recalibration and a dynamic recalibration? First, let's talk about the difference between a scan and a recalibration. A scan is a level of diagnostics where fault codes set by a computer are read. The codes identify where the parameters of operation are not functional or in spec with manufacturer requirements. A recalibration is a level of diagnostics testing the function of components in a static or dynamic mode of test. It tests the ability of the components to recognize or function as designed. It's also used to establish proper function and orientation to the vehicle. A scan tool can tell you if the electronics work, but the scan cannot tell you that the sensor is aimed or out of spec. Static recalibrations are probably the most unfamiliar procedures to the collision repair industry. These tests require targets outside of the vehicle measuring points, which may involve anything from a post to aim at to a series of target boards required for cameras and lasers. Dynamic tests require moving the vehicle. In most dynamic tests, a proper diagnostic tool is used to trigger the main control module into dynamic test mode. While connected to the diagnostic tool through the OBD port, the vehicle must now be driven until the computer has recognized all parameters and symbols. This means that many vehicles will need to be taken on a test drive on well-marked highways. Dynamic tests are generally done above 35 miles per hour down a highway with distinct lines on the roadway and signs. Once the test is complete, the vehicle and/or diagnostic tool will beep and confirm complete. At completion, the vehicle may be returned to service. Note, however, some tests may take 2 technicians depending on the diagnostic tool used. And some dynamic tests may take up to 70 miles to complete. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.